Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Football is where we start, as Arnett Gardens now have the longest unbeaten run to start a season, but it's Portmore United who lead the Red Stripe Premier League following Sunday's round of matches. Here's Karen Madden.
Arnett Gardens are all about records, and they have achieved one so far this season after surpassing Waterhouse's record for the longest unbeaten run from the start of the season. They did so after a 1-1 draw with Sandal South Coast at Frome. But while Arnett remained unbeaten, it's Portmore United that are atop the chart on goal difference. They added another 4 goals in a clean sheet against Boys Town. Venton Evans got them going after 40 minutes before Javon East added a second in the 69th minute. It stayed like that until the 80th minute when Malik Foster made it 3-0, and the rout was completed 2 minutes later through Rundy Smith.
I'm very pleased. First of all, happy about the 3 points, but most importantly, the performance was good. The goals that we scored, was well executed and well taken, so I'm very happy with that.
UWI had Tivoli Gardens measured over the years, and they must have thought it was going to be another of those days when Dwayne Smith put them in front after 15 minutes. However, Tivoli stopped the train on the stroke of half-time through Colorado Murray and took the lead through Tevin Shaw 13 minutes into the second half. Despite losing Kamar Flemings in the 63rd minute, UWI fought back to level as Andre Bernal made it 2-2 in the 71st minute. But it wasn't going to be their day, and Donovan Dawkins made sure of that with an 83rd minute winner.
A good game by both teams. Both teams wanted a victory, and we have decided that we wanted to move at least 5 points clear of UWI. UWI is a fairly good team. They came out and they played a medium press game. They were very organized, defensive, and in the middle of their park. But I believe that we need it more than them. We have a problem. We have a concern with the fourth official. Marisha Goldson. She has been the 4th official for us maybe for the last 3 to 4 games. And her attitude has been extremely poor, and we are asking for a change. I believe that a change is long overdue.
In the day's final game, Romeo Parkins' 3rd minute goal gave Humberline a 1-0 victory over host Cavalier at the Stadium East Field. It took Montego Bay United 5 matches to get a win, and they did it the hard way after coming from 2 goals down to beat Harborview 3-2. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.